Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best baby food makers you can buy right now. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best baby food makers on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best baby food makers are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Bear Baby Food Maker. The Bear Baby Food Maker is a versatile all-in-one device that combines steaming and blending functions without the need for a separate plastic basket. With a unique steaming cycle that preserves nutrients and flavors, this appliance ensures that your little one receives delicious and healthy homemade food. Featuring a built-in menu with preset options for vegetables, fruits, fish, or meat, it simplifies the process for parents by eliminating the need for multiple pieces of equipment. The baby food steamer and blender can handle everything with just the push of a button, making it ideal for busy new moms and dads. Equipped with a 400 ml mixing bowl and 4 high-quality blades operating at 2,875 RPM, it can prepare baby food in minutes. Our second best baby food makers is NutriBullet NBY50100 Food Making System. This comprehensive set equips you with everything necessary to craft nutritious meals from scratch in a matter of minutes. As a new parent, your affection for your little one knows no bounds. However, what you lack is time. This is where the NutriBullet Baby steps in. Beyond being just a food processor, it serves as a comprehensive system for pureeing and storing food. Say goodbye to costly, minimally nutritious pre-packaged jars with questionable ingredients. Instead, embrace the simplicity of creating fresh and wholesome baby food swiftly. Whip up delectable dishes using natural ingredients and conveniently store or freeze them for easy access on the go. The batch bowl and cups are crafted from non-toxic, BPA-free plastic that is incredibly durable. Number 3 in our list is GROWNSY Baby Food Maker. This innovative baby food processor offers a variety of functions including automatic steaming, blending, meat processing, sterilizing, and self-cleaning. It simplifies the process of preparing fruits, vegetables, and meat for your little one. With its self-sterilization feature, this baby food maker is a must-have for new parents. Just press the automatic button and let the blender handle the steaming and blending tasks for you. No more hassle with stovetop cooking or cleaning up multiple pots and pans. Additionally, most parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The smart digital control allows you to choose between auto mixing or manual mixing modes to achieve the desired consistency for your baby's food preferences. Fourth recommendation in our side is AMZBABYCHEF Baby Food Maker. Experience the convenience of this innovative baby food blender, which allows you to adjust the consistency of your purees from smooth to chunky. Featuring a handy auto shut-off cooking timer, you can effortlessly prepare a variety of foods without constantly monitoring the machine. Ideal for new parents, this versatile baby food processor also functions as a steamer, enabling you to steam, blend, defrost, and reheat nutritious meals for your little one on a daily basis. Utilizing a unique steam circulation system that preserves nutrients and flavors, this all-in-one appliance accommodates various ingredients such as vegetables, fish, fruits, and meats. With a spacious mixing bowl and high-quality blades included, preparing homemade baby food has never been easier. Crafted from premium Tri-10 material that is free from harmful substances like BPA and lead, this reliable steamer blender combo ensures safe and delicious meals for your precious bundle of joy. Last in our top 5 best baby food makers list is Baby Brezza Baby Food Maker. Creating your own baby food at home is made simple and hassle-free with the innovative Baby Brezza One-Step Baby Food Maker Deluxe. This device effortlessly steams and purees food at the touch of a button, all in one container without the need for transferring hot ingredients. In just 10 minutes or less, you can whip up fresh homemade baby food with ease. Additionally, the Baby Food Maker Deluxe offers a comprehensive solution for preparing, storing, and serving baby meals. It automatically steams and blends homemade baby food in one seamless process. With a single press of a button, this appliance completes the entire cooking process in as little as 10 minutes without any additional steps required post-cooking.